sweet and prickly girl. But not a second goes by without you on my mind. You are every landscape, every song, and every moment to me. You make me laugh, you make me cry, you make my heart flutter. When my heart beats upon yours, crossing through the night, I feel like I'm drifting in a cozy sleep upon the clouds, like I own the world, with nothing left to envy. If you only knew this heart of mine, maybe you'd understand me a little better. You are every landscape, every song, and every moment to me. Rain, it's just another name for you. You who love the rain so much, just as you wait for the falling rain, I long for the sound of your warm and tender voice tonight. If only I could be a scattered raindrop tapping on your window. If I were to become the rain in another life, would you feel me there? I wanna be the rain that you love so dearly. You are every landscape, every song,